Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the lovely tunics collection which I am going to show. So booking number is 9711195266. Please follow and like my page on Facebook and also join my WhatsApp group. Link is provided in the description box. So please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel because there are many more collections are coming, and in a very reasonable price I'll be showing you all the products. So let's start off with the lovely collections. There will be some skirts as well, a small short skirts and shorts which I'll be also showing. So let's start off with this beautiful piece. So this you can wear as a dress also, with the pants also you can wear. Okay, so for me it's kind of a dress only because I'm just 5 feet, so accordingly it's very beautiful piece. And this one, the size which will fit, it comes with the very beautiful, you can see just some charms and all are there, and you got some attached charms as well. There are attached charms, extra attached charms if it's required, and these are very very premium kind of a charms, and it's in cotton. And this one, the size which will fit, 38, 40, 42. Okay, it's a lovely it comes in the tank top style. 38, 40, 42, you can go for this beautiful piece in cotton. So you can just take the screenshot on the same. So next we have got this another color, and this one also, see, I have tried wearing with pants, and because heavy sizes can go with the pants, without pants also. So this one you can see we have got attached charms also, and this one, all this I am showing of 650 free shipping. Okay, for 650 free shipping you get this premium quality tunics. And this one, the size which will fit, 40 to 44. 40 to 44, very beautiful piece. 40 to 44, super lightweight, super comfortable. 40 to 44 can go. 40 to 44 can go. You can just take the screenshots on the same. Okay, 40 to 44 can go for this. And next we have got another color. So next, this one we have in big size. So anyone who is not comfortable with sleeveless, they can wear a shrug and also they can go. Okay, so this one is 46, 48, 50, 52. 46, 48, 50, 52 can go. 46, 48, 50, 52 can go. This comes with pink, orange and purple color. Orange and purple color. 46, 48, 50, 52 can go. Beautiful piece like a tank, this thing, and it's in pure cotton. Okay, non-transparent piece, just for 650 free shipping. Here I am showing some shorts and skirts, and in very again reasonable price, 499 free shipping. Okay, 499 free shipping, you can go for this. This is shorts come skirt. Okay, you'll be getting shorts come skirt, and this is in maroon color. The size which will fit, 26, 28, 30. 26, 28, 30 can go. Okay, like this it will be 26, 28, 30 can go for this beautiful skirt. It comes with the shorts, very super premium piece, just for 499 free shipping. 26, 28, 30 size can go for this. You can just take the screenshot on the same. You can just take the screenshot on the same. Beautiful piece, beautiful piece. Next, showing in denim. This is also a very smart piece. It is on a high waist style. Okay, high waist style, and this is of 32 to 34. ये हल्का सा आपका स्ट्रेचेबल भी है. वेरी स्मार्ट पीस. ठीक है, ये आपका हाई वेस्ट स्टाइल में आएगा. 32, 34. 32, 34. बैक साइड इज लाइक दिस. Look at this smart piece. Very uncommon. Okay, 32, 34. L, it's L size 19. 32, 34. Very smart piece. जो पहनेंगे उनको समझ आएगा. जो हाई वेस्ट शॉर्ट्स होते हैं, that is the one, just for 499 free shipping. You can just take the screenshot on the same. A beautiful piece. Next, showing, this is in a cotton skirt. This is a cotton skirt, and this is a cotton skirt, comes with lining. Okay, and this one, the size which will fit, 30 to 38. Size which will fit, 30 to 38. Cotton skirt, like this it will be. Okay, स्लीफी 30 to 38. 30 to 38. ठीक है, कॉटन लाइनिंग रहेंगे नीचे तक. 30 to 38. ऑल आर स्ट्रेचेबल. Okay, 30 to 38, 499 free shipping. You can just take the screenshots on the same. Next, showing this beautiful shorts in pastel green color. This is a yoga shorts as well, and this one, the size which will fit 32 to 36. 32 to 36, yes, 32 to 36. 32 to 36 it comes with the pocket, ठीक है. 32 to 36 it comes with the pocket. इस पे ऐसे रस्सी भी है तो खींचने के लिए. 32 to 36 बहुत प्यारा सॉफ्ट बनियान फैब्रिक का है. 32 to 36 for this. Next showing a beautiful green color again. This is a very very pretty green color, ठीक है. बहुत प्यारा green color है this one. And this one, the size which will fit 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Okay, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. ये actually a different kind of a silk है. ये मतलब not shiny. It's a non-shiny kind, and cotton भी है इसमें. So it comes with the pocket. मतलब it's like a linen. मैं जो बोलना शाइनी लेनिन ऐसा कुछ है, ठीक है. नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट है. 26, 28, 30, 32 फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल शॉर्ट्स. इसका फैब्रिक ही कुछ अलग है. नेक्स्ट शोइंग अगेन अ ब्यूटीफुल क्यूट स्कर्ट. एंड ये देखिए, ये आपका ओरिजिनल गैप का है. फॉर योर किड्स यू कैन टेक. सो वेस्ट विल कम 26. इसमें आपका एडजस्टेबल भी वो लगा हुआ है. एंड द स्कर्ट लेंथ इज 9.5. बोथ साइड्स में एडजस्टेबल ये क्या हुआ है. सो टिल 26 इट विल गो. वेस्ट टिल 26 इट विल गो. बहुत प्यारा पीस है. ये गैप ब्रांड का 8 ईयर्स के लिए मेंशन है. अ वेरी क्यूट स्कर्ट, वेरी वेरी क्यूट स्कर्ट विद द ब्रांडिंग, ठीक है. सो दीज वर द कलेक्शंस ऑन द स्कर्ट्स and tunics which I wanted to show. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.